Hi, it's Zach here. I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Survival Kit by Smiths. Now, Smiths has been a trusted name in knife sharpeners since the late 1800s, so these guys have been around a long time. They know what quality looks like, and that's exactly what you're getting with this kit. Now, this is a nice compact kit that works as a standalone survival kit. It's got everything that you would need to survive out in the wilderness, but it also works great as a supplement to an existing kit that you might already have, and it's also a great thing to stick in your camping bag for this summer and spring. Now this compact kit actually comes with 27 pieces, starting with the super quality knife. This has actually got a 3-inch locking blade. It's stainless steel. It has both a serrated and a straight edge on it, and even a belt clip on here so you can keep it on you at all times. Now built directly into the handle of the knife, you've got a few tools. You have a sharpener, which is great for the knife, and you even have a fire starter that has a safety whistle on at the end of it. That's really great in a survival situation. Now moving on here, you have a waterproof bag. Now this is great to keep everything nice and dry, but the other thing about this is that it actually holds all the components here inside, so you can stick this in your bug out bag. You have tinder, which is essential for starting a fire out in the wilderness. You have duct tape. You've got a couple safety pins, zip ties. You have a collapsible silicone cup. Now this is really great for when you're collecting water and you want to ration it out. You even have a lid that goes on top of that. You have a safety blanket that's going to keep you warm at night. You have a fishing kit. Now this is going to be essential if you want to try to get some food out in the wilderness. And you even have a signaling mirror, which is used to signal aircraft overhead, and there's even instructions on the back on how to use that. Now my favorite part about this kit is that it actually gives you a survival guide, and this has a lot of useful information in it, including how to build shelter out in the wilderness. This is something that you'd pay extra for in a bookstore. They give it to you for free in this kit. Now I can't stress enough the quality of all the pieces in here. This is an absolutely awesome survival kit, and I know you're gonna love it. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.